Want to make sure you're getting the most out of OptinMonster? In this video, we'll show you 5 ways to do so. If you're not generating enough leads from your OptinMonster campaigns, you might not have enough traffic to your website, but don't worry, we can fix that. Some great ways to generate traffic include targeting long-tail keywords in your blog, investing in guest blogging, as well as leveraging social media marketing. On the OptinMonster blog, we have a great article, 22 Traffic Hacks to Drive Email List Signups. We'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out and increase your traffic today. Another common mistake is inviting people to sign up for your newsletter with no extra incentive. What you should really focus on is having a lead magnet. A lead magnet will attract your ideal customers by offering a solution to one of their common pain points. Something we see frequently at OptinMonster is people not using their campaigns on enough touch points of their site. If you only have one exit intent pop-up, you're not going to see the results you're hoping for. Instead, you should strategically place your campaigns on your homepage, on your highest traffic articles, and anywhere your customers are leaving your site. It might sound silly, but a number of our customers never actually make the effort to get an OptinMonster campaign on their site. The best way to remedy this is to use one of our hundreds of templates to quickly get an OptinMonster campaign on your site. We promise it won't take you more than 5 minutes and it'll be well worth the effort. Finally, you might not yet have an email list, so you don't know where you're going to store your leads. Well, have no fear, because all of your leads will automatically be stored with OptinMonster's Monster Leads. Then, once you have your email marketing service provider, you can easily import your leads generated.